Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic about a Canva tutorial. So in which video I will tell you how we can create a Facebook post. So guys, I have already searched on Fiverr. Let's show you. There is Facebook post design. So you can see there is so many services available about social media posts like Facebook and Instagram post design. So you can also earn money to their own Fiverr. So let me show you on Canva how you can create a social media post on Canva like Facebook post. So first of all, this is a Canva dashboard. So I will type here Facebook post. So here is a find out Facebook template. This is a Facebook template and Facebook dimension. This is so I will use the create blank Facebook post. So if my topic is around my topic is around social media management, my topic is about online make money. So I will type there online make money. Here is some post we can use there related about our content. Here we can add our logo if we have, like now this time I have this logo. I will put this logo on there. This is a drag and drop, just easy to use. So regular class, no, I don't know this. So also I will put there our website URL. Okay, also you can change your background. So I think this background is best for my tutorial on Facebook page. So guys, this is a method you can create a Facebook post on Canva easily. So let's show you. I have created my post for my clients. This one I have created post for my clients. It's related for a depression post. So it's a easy method for Canvas. You can create a Facebook post and Instagram post easily. So guys, in this video I have tell you how you can create a Facebook page. So next video I will tell you about how you can create a logo and other things. Thank you guys, see you later.